Well, it sounds like there's some major consequences sometimes. So do you have any other specific examples that you could share with us where, not necessarily today, just at any time?
Yeah, major consequences. Today, I have a regular customer who decided that he had bought a Ford Bronco and decided that he wanted to fix it up. So he went ahead and worked on it for a while. Wasn't getting anywhere. Had a friend that had a friend that was a mechanic, and so the friend of the friend started to work on the Bronco, and $5,000 later, the Bronco's towed in. After the guy had replaced an engine and had replaced a whole lot of components on it because the vehicle wouldn't start. And it turned out to be that the vehicle had a bad fuel pump. So the guy spent about $5,500 and then towed the vehicle in and spent another $625, and now the vehicle runs. And then as we get the vehicle running, we're doing our inspection on the vehicle after we've got it started, and we're looking at the things that we need to look at, coolant temperature, and we're looking for oil pressure and things like that to make sure that everything's operating okay. And the first red flag comes up is that we don't have any oil pressure. Well, this is a new engine. We should have oil pressure. So then we start looking into that side of things, and we follow the oil pressure circuit down to the block of the engine, and then we find out that it's not hooked up and that the sensor that's supposed to be in the engine isn't there, and somebody's taken a plumbing plug and stuck it in the side of the engine as opposed to not fixing it correctly. And in turn, what that does is the computer monitors the engine's oil pressure and needs to see good oil pressure in order for the vehicle to run correctly, and the computer wasn't seeing it all because they weren't sure what to do with the hole because they had lost the part and didn't know what went in there, so they just went ahead and put a plug in it. And so, this guy's been dealing with this problem for 7 months. Vehicle's been here for 2 days, and we've got it up and running and running correctly with good oil pressure now. But that was, to this guy here, that was a $5,000 mistake. So it's always best to just do the consultation. I mean, talk is cheap, and we're more than happy to look at the vehicle with you, go over your repair options, and lay out the different scenarios. So when you go to make a decision on whether you want to repair it or if the repair is right for you, you'll have all of the information, and once you have the information, then you're able to make a decision that works best for you.